Hello, in front of me I've got Madden NFL 25. In this video I'll show you how to manage solo seasons in Ultimate Team. In the beginning, let's go to solo seasons. And here you can select solo season, amateur or ultimate solo seasons. Next you can check rewards and divisions and adjust lineup.
Defenses control the first half, but when will we see some points? Hopefully soon, as this third quarter begins. And he'll get as much as he can, protecting the football as he dives to the ground. The Chiefs offense going to have a first crack at it as we begin this third quarter. They'll search for the first points of this game as they begin the drive on 1st and 10.
At this level, you just would expect a little bit better execution and accuracy on those intermediate throws. I think he had an opportunity there for a nice pickup. Off target, off rhythm, ends up getting away from him.
And he's taken down, but not until he gets to the 32. They'll come up here, 1st and 10. On the ground, it's Robinson. And good blocking up front, paving the way for a gain of 8 on the ground. They'll come to the line now on 2nd and 2. They'll go again with Robinson. And nothing doing on that one.
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.